you doing? So, quick one. Tonight I'm going to talk about technical analysis. The technical analysis is not just very simple things to do. So it's not that hard to do. Technical analysis is just to analyze the time frame from the higher point from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. And the technical analysis is just based on to predict what the the future of the price will be from the past to the present and to the future to know exactly where the market is going. So that is what the technical analysis is all about. So the technical analysis is just about the past to check the market, what has happened in the past, to know where we are, and so that we can know where the market is actually going. So that is what technical analysis is. So without wasting much of our time, what I'm trying to do this morning to show just how to is how to analyze your charts, technical analysis. So I'm going to remove everything on this charts, the moving average and the rectangle. I'm going to remove everything. As you can see, this market is an uptrend. This is volatility 25 1s. So as you can see, to start, you start your analysis from, because you are going to analyze the charts. You're going to analyze the charts and you want to know exactly where the market is going and what is going to happen next. That is when the technical analysis get involved. So what you got to do is to check your market. Whenever you come to your charts, you open your charts and you first of all come to the weekly, or you can come to the monthly. You can come to monthly. As you can see, you see that since last year till this month of July, the market's still riling up. Do you understand? So without confusing, this is the monthly time frame. You come, then you come to the weekly time frame. You see the market is still going up. Now we come back to the daily time frame. You see that this market, let me zoom in. See that this market is high, it's high. As you can see, market is high. So now, as you're breaking it down, okay, in monthly time frame, it's just only one candlestick you just want to check. Same as weekly time frame, you are going to check one candlestick. As you can see, what is happening here now, this week, the candlestick, the is going high, it's on high already. So for me, it is very, very difficult for you to buy markets, to enter buy, to open a position to buy at this point. So what you have to do is to come to daily time frame to see the structure, to see the structure, to see the structure from the daily time frame. See the structure. You know that okay, yesterday this is what happened, and today where are we going? So the market is still doing it, still continue going high, still continue going high. Market still continue going high. So what do we do? How do we get out of this move? How can you take something? How can you take advantage out of this move? So that is why where the technical analysis is involved. So I'm going to remove all the indicators. So let me just close them. Let me off them. So now let's come back. So now I've already removed all the indicators. Now I'm about to remove I'm removing this. I'm removing this also. I'm removing this also. So now our chart now is now clean. You can call it virgin charts. We have a virgin chart now. So the simple arithmetic about the what's it called, um technical analysis is just based on what's it called, based on support and the resist, and support and the resist level. That is one. Then the trend follow. So those are the things that you need to know about the technical analysis. So in technical analysis, so now that we have already checked what has happened in the month and the week, to compare it, now you know that this market now is going up. So this is where you analyze the market. This is daily time frame, because if you want to get your what's it called, your analysis done, you start your analysis from the higher time frame. So I've checked the monthly and the weekly. So I come down to the day. So yesterday, look at what happened yesterday. Look at what happened yesterday. This is what happened yesterday. So you don't need to go far. You can just pick your analysis based on the kind of move that you want to get in the market. Do you understand? The kind of pips you want to get. It depends on the kind of uh trader that you are. If you are a swing trader or day trader, so it depends on you. So if you don't know what the swing trader is all about, then so you drop your comments, then we channel it out, then we talk about it later. So what I'm trying to say now is, for this chart now, this is where the technical analysis comes from. Come on, then you come out with your trend line. You want to see if you can use trend line, or let me just leave the trend line so that I don't want to get you confused. Do you understand? So let me just leave the trend line. So what I'm trying to do now is your technical analysis is just very make it simple. I don't want to make it difficult for you. I just want you to make it easy. Then how will you get the move? Number one, the market is an uptrend. One. Then what do you do in this market? What do you do in this market? It's very simple. It's very simple. As you can see in daily time frame, this market, you see, we have support and resist level. We have support and resist level here. We have support. We have support and resist level. Can you see the horizontal line? See the horizontal line. If you cannot use on the horizontal line, you can use the rectangle line. You can use rectangle. Let's use rectangle. See the market from here to here. This analyze from the daily time frame. That's 1, 2. You bring out your support and your resist. Your support and your resist. Your support and your resist level. So what is your support? Your supports are at the place where markets go high and low. As you can see from this point here, from this point, let me put it from this point. Okay, good. From this point, no, let me just use rectangle, or if I can get arrow, So to analyze the market is not, let me use arrow line. From this point, this is where the market starts from. Starts navigating high. So this is the first eye. 1, from 1, 2. So this first eye. The second, it go low. So here you see this range. The market doesn't go anywhere. So this is where you draw your supports and resist level. This is where you draw your supports and your resist level. You see, technical analysis based on supports and the resist. Supports and the resist. Here are the resist. here are the resists. Those are the people that those are the places that I'm placing the arrows, are the words, are the resistor. Those are the resist level. Those are the resist level. So those are the resist level. Now let's get tests. Can we get tests? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Where can I get the test too? So here are the resist level. Can I get tests? There is no test here. There's no tests. So these are the okay. There should be tests. There should be tests. Yes. Don't mind me because I'm using my phone. To get it. So without wasting much of our time, so these are the supports and the resists. So this rectangle line that I've drawn are the supports and the resists. You see, when the markets get to A, B, C, D, E, F, the market are bouncing. This is range. Here in the middle here is range. Now, what can we do now? Now let's go to 4-hour time frame. What do you see? What do you see here? You see that the market is going high. So let me just stop here. I'm coming.